Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix the EAFC24 Pro Clubs not working. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So a Reddit user by the name of the UMarmat8 suggested using a non-customized or stock character. So they suggested removing any customized modifications from the characters and then just searching for online matches again and again. So teams with modified characters have higher chances of crashing compared to those with stock characters. And while the solution appeared to be the light at the end of the tunnel, the issue still persists. So their Reddit user has already updated the post, letting us know that the solution is hardly working as before. And another user um, with the username like Amigo like Quavo, replied to a lot of comments on the same post claiming that the joining a random club before using dropped-in fixed the error. However, this too, like the previous solution, worked for some time and then relapsed. And these are the other potential solutions you can try. So includes restarting the device, turning off the cross-playing across all platforms, playing single-player modes, playing catch co-op, and then trying to connect the when there a chance of fewer players on the server and just uninstalling and then reinstalling the EAFC24. So while these solutions may work for some, others may have to work for either an official bug fix or an update to resolve the issue. So in the meantime, you can try out some of these solutions and use whichever works for you. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.